Hi guys, I'm introducing to you an invoice management mobile app that you can use for your business. If you're a business owner, if you are a freelancer and you want to generate an invoice to your client and customers, and if you're a business owner, you sell goods and services, you want to add items and generate e-receipts, like you want to generate invoice and send to them, and also confirm their payment, also send a receipt. This is the best app for you. And note, this is a one-time payment for a lifetime access. And the beauty is that it does not work with internet, it works offline. So now I'm going to show you a demo of how the invoice software looks like and what all the features entails and what you get on this app. Now let's get right to it. So now this is a dashboard. You can see I can filter last 7 days, last 30 days, last 12 months, and customize. And I can also check the total sales so far, total paid so far, also the sales trend if it's going up or going down, and also sales by top clients. Clients are the customers you add on the app, and also the items, like what services are you doing the invoice for, either goods and services, either personal services. You can always put that. Now let's start with generating new invoice. Now this is how you create new customer. You can create new customer. Let's say I want to create better customer, phone number. Just put a random number, my number. Let's put email address now. So we can set invoice dates and due date as well. And let's say I want to get Facebook ads. The service is about Facebook ads. Facebook ads for a month. How much is that? Let's say I'm charging for 50,000 naira, or let's say 200,000 naira. Okay, you can put a discount, you can put a note. Payments option is by, you can say by bank transfer. Okay, so you can see the amount here, you can see the payment details, bank transfer, put your details here, maybe bank, access bank. Just put your details. Want to put your details, bank name, Sunday Tech, account number. Can put anything. Just make sure your information are right. You can put account number, then it's save. And also you can sign. You can sign, you save, and you can as well preview what you actually generated and see how it looks like. You can see how it looks like. Your logo, I did put a logo, your date, invoice number, due date, and the amount. That's the preview. So you can now save invoice. Can now save invoice. Now let's save invoice. So now, okay, I went to preview. With this preview, you can also share this preview, but this invoice, once you're done, you can share from here. You can share to the person you want to share it for. And if the person has paid you and you want to confirm the payment, how to generate the receipt, let's save. I've saved it. Then it pops up here. You can load down, it pops up here. I can come to this dashboard here and come to invoice. This is the amount here. I can reload, come there, view details. I can also set a reminder that will remind me on the due date. Now let's assume the person has paid the money. I'll just record the invoice, I'll record the person's payments and record payment to go successfully and record. So it has gone successfully. So it has recorded the person's payment. So then, okay, cannot exceed. Let's go back again to that. It says cannot exceed. It must be the exact amount the person pays. So that's 200,000. Yep, record payments. You can see successfully. You go back, it has been recorded. Let's go to the receipt section. Let's reload. So this is it. You can preview. You can see thank you for your payment. So you can share this to the person. So that's I've talked about the invoice section and the receipt section. Now let's go to dashboard again. Everything we upload here, even the client name will upload. So anybody that's the client that you have, any amount, any invoice you're generating, it goes by percentage. It tells you these are the top 5 clients, these are the top 5 items that you've generated invoice for. And also This is where you can add the type of items, can delete this, so that when you add an item, you can select it inside the invoice. And note, you can also back up your data, back up all of these things. You can send it as a CSV. You can send all of these invoice details, and you can also back up your customer details as a CSV, and also back it as a CSV as well. And also the settings part. Let's go settings part. This is default. If you need for any currency, you can DM me. I can help you build for your own currency, no problem. And also set the settings for the PDF. Put a note at the end of the this thing. This is where you put your logo. This is where you put your logo, your number, your details. Now, if you want to back up, let's say you want to back up all of this data, you can back up. Once you back up, it will download on your phone, and you can import back again. And you can say it's proudly developed by Tech, which is me. So this is just the software, invoice management software that I can use for your business and use to manage your sales, manage how you generate invoice, follow up on invoice you generated, and mark it as paid. You can always share the receipt to all your customers and clients, and it works easy peasy, makes it easy for you. Like I said, it works fully offline. It works offline. You don't need data. This is a one-time use for a lifetime access. You don't have to pay anybody. You are using it for life. So if you need this, contact me via the details on the screen, and I'll get it done for you on your business name. I'll send it to you. It's an affordable. It goes to the fee. It goes to the fee. So just DM me if you want to get this purchase for your business, and I'll brand it to your business name. So guys, if you have any questions, comment question, I'll answer to that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye.